Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Boy, have I got a great tip for you today. So often we want to have tacos. Maybe we always want to have tacos. Tacos are beloved by all. And yet you think, oh, I don't want to get out the frying pan and the grease splatters all over the stove top. It's a mess. And it's a little fattening with all that grease all over it. I don't know if we're going to have tacos. Well, you can have tacos because here's how you can make a wonderful taco shell. Now this works with corn tortillas or flour tortillas, works with the little the street taco size, or even bigger than these. But this is an average taco size, so I want to show you with this. And I like to do this because it gives lots of room for filling. It isn't kind of crimped in a V. It gives you plenty of room for all that cheese and the meat and the tomatoes and lettuce. So here's what you do. You take your tortilla, either kind, any size, and you drape it over two of the racks, the little spines, the little tines on your oven rack. And it looks like it's not curved enough, but trust me, as it bakes, it will come down exactly like you want it. And you bake it at 350 for, depending on the size, 7 to 12 minutes. These were baked 10. Now, I also, just for fun, I sprayed one with spray, non-cook spray, because I thought, well, maybe the oil will help. Didn't make any difference. So you don't even need that. Just a dry taco shell. Talk about healthy, right? And then it comes out so crispy. I'm going to show you how crispy. See, it's nice and crispy, just like you want it. Oh, the center's a little more chewy, a little softer. Perfect though, right? You've got a great taco shell there, and it will taste so good, and it'll feel great to not have all that grease, to be honest. How many times have you talked with your mouth full? Now, how many times have you taken a taco and kind of mopped it on a napkin? You don't have to do that. These are clean, and you know what else? They stack up nicely in a row if you're entertaining. So, I'm going to get some lemonade and swallow the rest of this taco. I hope you'll scroll through here. I have hundreds of these online. And tell your friends to subscribe and visit my website, jonihilton.com. And be sure you subscribe. See you next time.